In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a group on Roblox. So creating a group on Roblox is very much simple and easy, but then I think a lot of people find it complicated. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do this, a short minute something. So all you need to do is just hop on your Roblox account like this, whether you have it on your PC or mobile phone, and then you move to your create section. So on here, I'm on the creator hub here, something like this. So on here, all you need to do is just tap on this side and then you create a new group. You get it? So you can upload your image here. So let me give the group this image and then let me enter the name like this. And then I add my description. I don't have anything to type here. I don't have anything to type here. So let me come back to this side and so now to create the group, you don't have to purchase. You just need to purchase 100 Robux and you're good to go, and then you create your group. So mostly this creating of group is for creators that have their games on Roblox. So let's say I have a game called K-Brother Racing on Roblox. I need to create a group for the racing game so people share their experiences on there for me to know how the game is going and how to develop it to make it more nicer to a lot of people or appealing to a lot of gamers online. So that's it on how you can create a group on Roblox. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And then if you love Roblox videos, I have a lot of videos on Roblox. You can check my channel for them. So that's it. Peace.